Well, good Friday afternoon to ya. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a show enough good Friday, and I hope everybody's looking forward to the weekend. But I'm here to tell you, here in East Central Mississippi, cloudy, that's about it, windy, but surprisingly, we are in the middle 70s right now, so you know it's nice to be outside. Before we get started on today's video, I like to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, I sure enough thank you for coming back. What I want to share with you and y'all today is, let's go take a walk over yonder and I'm going to show you what I have growing over here and answer a few questions about what I got growing on over here. Give me a second. That's what we finna do's. I apologize for the light in advance. It is just cloudy over here. But I've had quite a few people ask me, Dan, what's going on with those Persian cukes? What they looking like? Well, I'm gonna show you that. And I'm also gonna show you the comfrey and the comfrey that I talked about in my last video. I'm gonna show you what I did with that, and then we'll rock on from there. Here are all the Persian cucumbers. I have them sitting underneath the overhang of my shack. They're looking really good. I'm gonna give them just a little, probably a couple of more days, maybe a week, just to harden off. And then we're gonna get to planting these guys. Hopefully I can get a harvest towards the end of the fall. Kind of hoping for that. There's the other one right there. Considerably smaller than the first one, but that's okay. They are both still growing. Here's some comfrey that's growing on, and this was sent to me by the Sapper gardener and his family. Mr. Bob, I don't know what happened with the comfrey starch that you sent me. The first one was KIA upon arrival, and I don't know what happened with this one. What I'm thinking is, and matter of fact, I know this is probably the case. The comfrey that Mr. Bob sent me from Bob Mel's Simple Living, I'm gonna say that because I kept in contact with Mr. Bob. He emailed me several times and he told me, I don't remember what day it was, we're gonna call it maybe a Wednesday. He said, Dan, the comfrey should be at your home place on a Wednesday. So I actually did. I looked for it when I got home. I always check the spot that the mail carrier leaves all my packages. Didn't see it. Got back in touch with Mr. Bob. Long story short, the comfrey arrived at my residence on a Friday. So I'm gonna say that box stood wherever it was at for 2 days, and on Friday, the day that I received it, the box was sitting out in the sun. So I don't know if the comfrey starch went into stress and possibly died. I don't know. I can't say that it's my growing technique because I have some comfrey growing. So, I don't know. Mr. Bob, sorry. I tried to keep it going, but let me show you the other comfrey that I started out, or the other comfrey roots that I planted. So here is the comfrey that I planted out. I have several of them. I'm using some grow bags, some 5-gallon grow bags. I have some small pots that I put the cuttings in. I watered them down, and we're just going to see if those cuttings throw out some comfrey. Hopefully they do. I know that comfrey likes a soil pH between 6 and 7. I want to say when I tested my soil on, I believe it was Wednesday, I was right at 7.3. So I added in some sand and some organic humus, because I don't want to say hummus, because I think that's stuff you eat, but humus. And we're gonna rock on and see how those comfrey cuttings grow. Let me show you what else I still have growing over here. Here are my mater starts. And when I say starts, these were volunteers. Once I tore down all of these grow bags, I had a whole bunch of starch that popped up. So what I did was I uprooted quite a few of them and replanted them in grow bags. They kind of looking a little sad right now, but that's okay. I think they're gonna do well. So I have 6 mater plants, hopefully, that I could keep growing towards the end of the next couple of months. It starts getting really cold over here in East Central Mississippi towards the end of December. So maybe I can get a few more maters till then. Probably this weekend, I'm gonna start working on the earth bed. And I'm also gonna try to get a hold of some collards and some turnip starts, and maybe get those in the 16-foot raised beds. We'll have to see how that goes. A little bit too late to start seeds. Just didn't have the time to get those started, so ain't no shame in my game. I'll just use some starts and see what happens. So y'all, this is gonna be a quick video. I just wanted to answer a few questions that subscribers have asked me as far as what the cucumbers are looking like, and also what's going on with the comfrey. I believe I said I was gonna do an update in several weeks, but I just wanted to show you and y'all what it's looking like so far. Hopefully the comfrey cuttings will thrive and provide me with a bunch of comfrey, because I'm showing enough on that mission to get some comfrey growing over here. Oh, gotta throw in my pineapple pup. It is showing enough getting this grow on. So y'all, again, I hope everybody is having a Show Enough Good Friday, and I hope everybody stays safe over the weekend, especially during this crisis that we still have going on. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. With that being said, you know what's coming. Dan Reffer's Show Enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You show enough, get your shine on. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.